where you cut the baby.
That'll be traumatic if we cut a baby.
This is not great risk management.
No. Kids, don't try this at home.
Back up, back up.
Back up, because something.
Back up, everybody. Yeah. You won't go
Like
straight
somebody's
through
arm
the. You
can
won't
fall
go
out.
through. You won't go through the uterus. Just go on in.
Try to cut it like the
You can cut
gills.
hard. It's thick and it's inside the uterus too, so you got to go in there.
You know all about uteruses. Maybe you should.
I'm a dermatologist. You don't want me
Well,
to cut.
see, then you want to do this. You cut moles off it.
No, I just think if we could save
There.
them,
Well, there you go.
It'll be
We're about to find out.
Their baby.
Nope. I don't know. What's that? That looks like organs. It doesn't look like any pregnancy stuff.
Well, something's moving. He's right.
I think you should cut the, like the middle of the stomach.
You should keep going. Kelly, you want to take control here?
Yeah.
Reaching down. Yeah. You need to get a medical school.
Yeah.
Dad came down here.
I know. I'm like,
I'm leaving.
oh man, I think that'd be cool if we could get a baby back in the ocean.
Whoa! Oh gosh. Oh wait! What was in that thing? Oh!
I don't think there's a baby in here.
Intestine.
What's that? Is that like a liver or gallbladder? It's like a tire.
Yeah, let's also look at it while we're here.
I
It's a
hope there
license
aren't like
plate.
shark to human communicable diseases.
I hope it's
No.
It's all that. Maybe it'll move.
Let's see if it moves again.
Probably just a fish. Wait, is that an egg? Is that an egg? Well, at least if you put them out
I
of
don't
the
think there's a baby in there, buddy.
Well, I see something that's
Well, wouldn't there be like the baby wouldn't just be in there? It'd be in a sack,
It'd be in
not
a
like
sack.
a placenta.
Yeah, you got
I wonder
Could
if
this be it?
Yeah.
Well, see, you went to med school and I got.
Oh,
my-
yeah, that might be it.
that might be it.
Oh wow, hold on, let me see that.
Oh, it's a baby. Oh, gosh. You're so big. Oh, water.
Yeah, I'm videotaping.
I'm not scared. The baby probably is not fully developed yet.
Whoa!
There's a baby.
It is a baby.
How do we get it out? The doctor, you want to do this? Come on, you signed up. What are you afraid of? Are you afraid of like a Good Samaritan law in Georgia? Come on, you can do this.
I'm with you. I'm morally supporting you.
Well, great.
I'm a
Back up, everybody.
Yeah, back up. Get him back.
Yeah, I
Because
think
if I got to move this knife,
You think it's what?
Under
it looked like it was under everything.
Yeah, I did.
It's under all the
We got a
If
lot of
it's
consultants and only one surgeon.
Yeah.
if you
That's
haven't
right.
noticed that.
This way you get credit for it all.
Yeah.
Well, I'm
Good
not
or
sure-
bad.
I'm not sure I really want to save a shark, to be honest.
Come on, you.
No, I don't. I got kids.
Yeah, I'm about to say, I don't know.
My father was attacked by a shark.
Are you
Oh.
serious?
Yeah, I'm very serious.
Well, you should get credit. This is probably good
You gotta
for
stab it when it comes
There was a
out.
shark about this size.
Oh, no.
Oh. Yeah, there's something.
Oh, he is in there, y'all.
But there are more than one. Back up.
There are?
I think so.
I see a pink thing in there.
You know, I'm about to say, just cut that off.
It's
And
like a C-section.
Let's go on a beach walk.
A C-section.
Listen, you yeah. That sounds so weird.
Oh my gosh, this could be.
Oh my gosh, look at it! Back up, kids. Back up. All kids, back up.
All adults, all idiots that are cutting on a shark back up.
Like science. This is science. It is.
I might send this to Coach Smith.
Yeah, he will be so excited.
yeah,
This
he
is
would
like
love
Uncle
that.
Phil on Duck Dynasty.
Yeah. I sure hope there's a baby.
That's it.
That would be it.
Wow!
Don't get bitten, though.
Oh my God!
There's more than one. Hold on.
She's so proud of herself.
That's why we get it back in the ocean.
Congratulations!
It's a boy.
You're a father.
It might be like a preemie. I don't know if it'll make it.
It's viable. I mean, it's going down.
Gosh,
pretty
that's
big. It's not that
That's
big.
its head. That's its
No,
head
that's the
here.
tail down there. Ah! That's the head. Woo!
I thought it was.
Golly!
Let's get him back in the ocean.
Yeah, that's the
Give me
shark.
the. Oh my gosh! Look at it.
That's another head. That's two
another
of them in
head.
there. I was about to say
I
there's
think
two
there are
of
like
them.
4 sharks in here.
Yeah, but the only one's moving is right there. I wouldn't even worry
Pour a
about
little water on them.
Let me just.
Try to
I
grab
don't
it in the
want
middle.
it viable.
Get
Hold
this,
on.
get it.
Just cut that whole.
Holy crap.
I cannot believe this is happening.
Well, maybe some roll the shark.
Oh!
Oh,
That's
That's
you.
Oh my God!
Daddy, thank you.
That did not just happen. Oh my God!
That's fine. You're fine. Let him go. He's okay. You're all right.
Dad! Please don't get this.
Oh, there's more movement going on.
I'm glad I came down here.
Like, let's be two.
Okay, that just happened.
That's giant.
Back up. Back up. Back up.
I think that was
Umbilical cord, did you see it?
Yep. Yeah.
The wave will turn him. That way.
Are there any
There's
more?
another
That's
one.
another one.
Yeah.
That one looks dead.
Yeah. Okay, looks like two songs.
Hang on.
Now I think that was
Kirsty or what?
I don't
It
know
was
how that
born
one's
free.
gonna-
Look at all this orange.
Golly, that's
my
all.
God.
I don't.
I never saw
Yeah. Oh, he's still moving.
This is the coolest thing I've ever seen.
That was it. I didn't even know. Oh, great. That mom just had to say it. Any more?
Beth, no. Beth.
Are there any more?
No.
I'm going back in.
Is that it?
There went your knife. Hey, you're never using that knife again.
No, you can't go in the water.
That's it.
That is the craziest thing.
I think there's